let's have a closer look at the 2-pin 12-volt electronic LED flasher relay. The max is up to 150 watts. I needed this to control my turn signal flasher speed on my motorcycle. This works with motorcycles and vehicles that use 12 volts. This 12-volt flasher relay is compatible with most 2-pin flashers and works with most brands of motorcycles. You just need to connect the 2 pins to the battery and no tools are required. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.